if you are interested in how to make over $200 per day just by copying and pasting, then make sure that you watch this video until the end. So guys, for this method, I'm going to show you 2 different affiliate networks that you can start using from today and make money online. Both of these affiliate networks are free to join, and if you follow all the steps of today's strategy, you will be able to make money by promoting valuable products online. You don't require any experience and you don't need to be computer tech or anything like it. So before starting today's strategy, if you like this type of videos, then the best thing you could do to support the channel is to give us a massive like, because this is what will help us to keep creating content and bring you the latest strategy on digital marketing, how to get traffic and how to make money. So without any more delay, let me take you to the computer and let's get started with today's strategy. So in today's strategy, I'm going to show you how you can actually make money from different networks by promoting other people's product, and you're gonna be getting commissions out of it. Okay, so the first website which I would like you to come to is called Digitstore24.com, and this website is actually a website that I highly recommend because you're gonna be able to sell so many different products in so many different categories and so many different niches. So once that you get into the website, you can just scroll down and then you can have a look at the different offers and all the different benefits of the website, and from there, the only thing that you just need to do is you just need to click on signing up, and then once that you sign up, just make sure that you put all the correct information, make sure that you put your email address, make sure that you put the right password, and you can remember all the information because they will send you an email to your email address in order to confirm your account. So once that you have submitted your information, then the only next thing you will need to do is to actually log into your marketplace. So as you can see on the marketplace, there are so many different categories of products that they will pay you different commission once that you promote them. So if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to show you exactly all the steps on how you can do it and how you can start earning commissions from today. So for example, as you see this product, you will get 85% commission from every sale, but as you scroll down, you will see more different products like this one. For example, this will be a good product like Youth Mastery and Monetization, because it will actually teach people on how they can make money on YouTube. So what will mean is, like, once that you refer this to someone and someone make a purchase, then the estimated earnings that you'll be getting, it will be $177. Okay, so that's actually something interesting for you to check out. So you could go and check out the offer, and it will be as simple as just clicking on sales page, and then once that you click on the sales page, it will tell you exactly how you can start monetizing your challenge. And here you will be able to see all the different testimonies of people that have actually done it. So I will encourage you to come have a look, and then if it's something that is worthwhile promoting, then you can start thinking of who could be your ideal audience, so you could put this in front of them and then you could get paid for it. Okay, so another product that I'm gonna show you is Sonus Complete. So Sonus Complete, you will get 65% commission, but the most important thing here says that you can actually get a maximum cart value of $625. So that means that people in the order could actually spend up to $624. So imagine if you just have 5 people that actually make a purchase from you, that will be more than $3,000. So it will be very, very good. The only thing you have to make sure that you put this product in front of the right people. So as well, you could go into the sales page and then you could have a look at the different options. And obviously, when you drive traffic here, the problem with this is, like, they will either buy or leave. And if they leave, then what will happen is you won't have another way to be able to contact them again. Okay, so what I would highly recommend you is you could either do this on the kind of beginner way, or that you're driving traffic here and see whoever converts, or you could do it more advanced, where you could actually create a landing page to capture someone's email address, and then once that they click on the next step, then is when you could send them here, because that way you'll be able to build your audience and be able to get people that might be interested on this product, but then you can continue a communication with them by email marketing. Okay, so the software is called ClickFunnels, so you could actually go into let's say this is ClickFunnels. You could go here. They has got like a 40-day free trial, but if you want, I've left a link in the description. So the only thing you need to do is just get all the information there. There is a funnel challenge that you can actually do, so check out the description below. There I'll leave you information, but I highly encourage you to build a sales page so you can capture leads. Okay, so another product that I want to show you is the Tube Master. As I said, you'll get the 50%, and then you can see here there are so many different categories available. Okay, so that's one of the networks where you can actually get your product from, and then you could start promoting by clicking here. And then I'm gonna show you a different network, which is Clickbank. Clickbank as well is a great place where you could find different products. They could be digital marketing, or could be other different products, as you can see here, for the different categories like e-business and e-marketing. And then you're gonna be able to promote these products. Okay, so let me log in. So I'm gonna log in, and here you can search by rank, you can search by the gravity, and you can search as well for different things. So gravity means, like, for example, if the product is selling a lot. So for example, this product is selling a lot because it has got 190 of gravity, and say get paid to use Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. So the average conversion is $41 that you will get. So if you put this product in front of people, and you can see here these blue ticks means that is recurring paying, so that means that you're gonna be paid like on the monthly basis. Okay, so you could open the offer, and then here is the landing page. You will find more information. You'll need to start the quiz, and then if someone buys through the link, then you're gonna get paid. And then if you're gonna promote it, the only thing you need to do is you need to click on promote, and then you'll be able to name the offer that you're gonna put here, a name, so you can distinguish which offer it is. So we say it was like get paid using Facebook, so get paid Facebook. And then you can generate the hop links, and this is the link that you will create. Now, because this is an ugly link and it's very, very long, it won't be good if you promoting this, because people are gonna think that it's spammy. So what you could do is you could actually go to a different website, which is called Tiny URL, and then you could actually click get your link over there. Let's see. So you will get your link over here, and then once that you get your link that I've not copied, let me copy it again. Oops, generate hop links, there we go, copied. And then you just paste the link here, and then you just make a tiny URL. This is the link, the trackable link, so which means when someone buys through your link, then you're gonna start getting paid. Okay, so that's very good. And what we're gonna do is, obviously, I'm gonna show you how you can actually monetize this. So I don't know if you have heard of this website. If you haven't, I'm gonna show you. Here is Pinterest. So Pinterest is a network where it has got so much traffic that you could benefit from and start making affiliate commissions. So for example, if we go into SimilarWeb, you can see in SimilarWeb in the ranking, it ranks number 28 in the world, which means it's the 28th largest website in the world. Okay, so it has got 559 million people visiting on the monthly basis. So this is actually incredible. So you will just need to, you can register just with a free account, and then once that you have your free account, you're gonna be able to create your pins. Okay, so you could actually create here, and then you could start creating the pins that you might want to create. Okay, so you could create on pin, and then you could just go, in order to create your image, you could go to Canva, for example, and you could put here Pinterest pin, and then depending on the niche that you are promoting, but if you're promoting something like the Tube Mastery, so people teaching people how they can make money on YouTube, you could put something like maybe something here like business, and then you could put something like YouTube here. You can click in elements, and let's press YouTube. And you could just adjust it, and you could put like learn how to make money with YouTube, for example. And anyways, you get my point. So that's what you could do, and then you could add this picture in Pinterest, and when that you add it here you're gonna put the destination link. Again, if you put the tiny URL and you connect it to your ClickFunnels page, it will be even much better, because you're gonna be able to gather their lead and then put them through your email list, so you can start building your email list and build a relationship with your customers. Once that you get your link here, when people get through the website through your link, then you're gonna get paid and you're gonna get a commission. So another way of doing this, if you don't gonna go through the thing of learning about ClickFunnels and landing page, which is something I highly recommend you for you to do the sooner or the later, you could actually go to a different website. It's called Linktree, and then Linktree you can get started for free, and then you can put the different links where you're gonna send people to. So it'll be very easy, simple. You just need to sign up, and then it will give you the option to put your different links. Okay, so as I say, very straightforward. You could go select your product, and then you can start making affiliate commissions with interest like that. You can just get tons of traffic, as I showed you, because Pinterest is a website that has got more than 959 million visits per month. Okay, so this is all for today's strategy. I hope that you like it. If you did, please give me a massive like, because this will be great for the channel and for me to be able to create similar videos and similar strategies on digital marketing, so you can start making money online and achieve the financial freedom that you deserve. So with that said, I hope that you have a great day and a great week, and we'll speak very soon, and take care now.